No matter how many times I come and camp in this park, I always get such a kick out of that visual. I have to be honest, I'm not a super big fan of any type of camping equipment that comes in multiple pieces like this. Every chair comes with like a frame and then a seat separated for the most part. If it's like a backpacking style chair, this gives you a lot of opportunity to lose stuff. And for somebody like me, that's definitely not a good thing. However, they have managed to get this thing into such a small package. It's pretty crazy. I just really liked how tiny the package was. Got something crawling on me for sure. I've already had 2 ticks this year latched onto me. And you know, if you spend any time in the outdoors, you know that Lyme disease is nothing to sneeze at. So you want to be super careful about ticks. So I did treat my clothes with permethrin, and I'm wearing a very high DEET bug spray. So hopefully that does the trick. I'm in here. I'm going to chill out, enjoy my last night on the stealth camp. Maybe enjoy some quality programming on my phone. I'll check back with you guys in the morning. Good night.